Hey, it's Mason here. Before I show you this video of the inside of my Hoover, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bar for notifications on the next video. Here we go. Let's get into it. Let me see. I can plug it in. It's gonna get pretty loud in here in a second. Faster than I thought it would be. But there you go, you saw it moving and everything. Now let's show you how it works. How the hose connects and everything. Damn it, this light. Not enough light. So, right here, it's kind of dark. That's where the hose attaches. And this is where you adjust your floor size. Right here. There's your belt. And I don't have all the attachments. I will soon though, once I restore this completely. I have this. Let's pull you up so you can see this. We have the hose that goes all the way up there and goes all the way down.